We launched a whole lineup of new machines at CES 2022. Today, ROG is proud to continue our tradition of innovation and announce two very special devices. For those looking for lightweight and transformative machines with serious gaming pedigree, the Flow X16 has landed. Like the rest of the Flow series, we created with versatility in mind. Its 360-degree hinge allows for traditional clamshell usage, or leverage stand mode to make sure you have the perfect ergonomic angle for work. The Flow X16 is packed with the AMD Ryzen 9 6900HS processor and a powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Ti laptop GPU. While we pack the Flow X16 with gaming power, we haven't forgotten the core tenet of the Flow family, devices that are ultra thin and ultra light. The Flow X16 features thermal grease-free liquid metal on the CPU and our brand new FrostFold technology. But there's one thing that truly sets the Flow X16 apart from its counterparts: our incredible ROG Nebula HDR display. This will be one of the most immersive gaming experiences you can get in a laptop today.
The Scar 17 Special Edition pulls ahead of the competition even further with more powerful components. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 Ti laptop GPU aboard the Strix Scar SE runs at up to 175 watts with dynamic boost. The top-end configuration sports a brand new 12th gen Intel Core i9-12950HX processor, complete with 2 additional Alder Lake performance cores. We co-developed an even better liquid metal formula called Conductor Node Extreme, which we're using on both the CPU and the GPU of the Scar 17 Special Edition. This brings temperatures down by up to 15 degrees compared to regular paste, 5 degrees lower than regular liquid metal. The chassis features the same RGB lighting and customizable armor cap as the standard regular Strix Scar, but with an extra secret, a specially developed invisible ink. That subtle cipher on the lid of the laptop can be highlighted with the included UV flashlight or blue LED light, exposing a hidden message in cryptic cyber-stylized text that leads you to a gaming experience we call Scar Runner. Scar Runner is a single-player parkour game set in the same ROG Saga world. And this time you will venture into a brand new area called Goemon City. And all you need to do is play the Scar Runner game.
Today, we are introducing 6 new products in the ROG Flash family, with the color scheme inspired by the internal gaming conflict of red versus blue. ROG Flash never shies away from its gamer roots. With 2 incredible machines joining our 2022 lineup, we are so excited to offer gamers even more options for their next gaming rig.